Hey, what's up everybody? It's Ed here from Perfetto Realty. Guess where I am? That's right, 810 Shadow Lakes in Willow Springs, North Carolina. Thank you for noticing. I look better. I feel great. No cancer. Still dealing with some other stuff, diabetes. And I guess that's it. But, and being 60, that's enough to deal with too. But I wanted to give you a quick walkthrough, show you where we were. I'll just turn it around. I'm not going to edit. Just a quickie, and sorry for the vertical. But you can see we installed the lights, the mirrors, vanity. Of course, we'll have to wipe it. The toilet's in. We've got, what did we do here? We've done the surround. We've got some nice hardware that has to be replaced. The chrome that apparently going with the Delta, which is what we were told to do. Mint, going in the dark. Mint, can't really see it. I had to cut that out, so my plumber was nice enough to put it back. I did the first course of mud. I will sand it tomorrow and then come back in with another course of mud. Still have that door to hang, and I wanted to show you this. This is kind of fun. This was I wanted to do something custom. What they had in here was, I don't know if you remember, it had the like aluminum or metal hanging system, which I just despise. It's just so sterile, and we have a custom shelf unit in ours at home, so I wanted to do something different. And here's the sun. So I've got the top two shelves put in, and I've got to cut the other two shelves, and then I'll stain them and put them in. But this is a multiple shelf unit, kind of custom. I might just leave that front open, or I might put a kick plate in. I don't know, but it's secured. It's level. It's been a pain in the butt. It's a little smaller. It's a little shallower than ours at home because this room is a little smaller. Everything in this house is just slightly smaller, and so I thought, okay, I'm gonna do 1x10s instead of 1x12. So it's just a fractional or a percentage difference. And here's the other one. Had to go in the back. He had an access panel, but I just didn't want to use it. I'd rather clean that up and go ahead and repair it, and I don't want an access panel. But you can see it was slightly different here, a little different size. So we're going to come back in with some tape, obviously, and then we'll put a little more of the marine coat on that just to match it up. And of course, same thing, chrome. Let me turn on the light in here, right? Hey, lights, mirror, faucet is in. Everything's turned on and working in here. I put some shelves, and we've actually kind of staged them already. The toilet's off the wall. There was an issue down here apparently, and they put a like an angle valve in there, and it ended up pulling the entire toilet off the wall. So there's a good 3 to 4 inches of separation here. So we're not trying to hide it. We're just trying to make it a little more palatable to the eye. So we went and put these shelves in, and I just wanted to get a little funky, so you can see it's shifted. It's a little bit altered, which some say I am too. But let's see what else. This is the bedroom 3, and I've got to put. This is kind of weird. I should probably take this down and redo it, because I did everything else. I ended up sanding all this, the junk and the garbage. And I also ran it through a roundover bit back at the house. So I think I'm going to do that. But same concept. I do have some pencil marks from another plan, but I think I'm just going to use this one. It's it's probably a little girl, little boy's room, and this is going to be high enough, maybe too high, but I'll do the same thing here, and they're different here. You can see because I don't know why they have there's a stud here. And there's no stud here. It's over here. So craziness. Bedroom 2 is done. That was an easy one. I think I'm done in here, so I'm just gonna turn this off, and I'm gonna make my way. Oh, you know what? Let's see what this looks like with the lights on. Boop. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Wow, that was a pain. I wouldn't do that again, but we'll probably stage something over here. I don't know. Looks kind of empty, but that's what a house for sale looks like. So a little bit of drywall, a little bit of that shelf unit. I've got to secure this. This has some pretty good wobble to it. I'm just gonna put a couple of heavy duty screws in there. And what else? Oh, the floor. I got to do the floor. Got to do it because you can see right there, it's worn. It's worn. Let me turn the light on. This one? Yeah. It's kind of dark. It's like 6:30, I think. But kind of have to do it. And we've got these bald spots here. Otherwise, it looks great over here. A little bit of dirt, but as far as looks go, I just can't justify asking what I want to ask for this house and have those floors looking like that. So put the bifolds in. Got some nice gray knobs, and fits nice. Oh, looks like you took it off for me. Look at that. Oh, ballast. Yeah. All right. Well, I don't know. What did you do? Did you replace it, or did you just take it off? I don't know. Oh, that's kind of weird. But maybe he decided, he being my plumber, maybe he decided, you know what? Or he probably forgot because the door was closed. And that's my lovely partner in crime's doing. She said, well, I'm just going to tuck this out of the way. So got some music playing, keeps us snappy while we're here. Oh, get one other thing. We had that big storm come through, and you can see the door is open. It's ajar. Let's see if I can get it in there. The door swung open and broke the door closer. Actually, it bent the rod in there, and I have a new one. So sorry for all the fast movement and being lazy with my video, but that's about it. Been maintaining the lawn, and I love this lawn here. It's so much nicer than mine. Oh, did I show you the countertops? I don't know. Got the dishwasher in, stove is in, countertops are in, cabinets are done. I think for the most part, except for upstairs, the painting is done. Might be some touch-ups here or there. Let me take you out to the garage too, because that's amazing to me, because these walls look like that ceiling, and worse. They had gouges and stains and all kinds of just garbage, and it was so disgusting. In fact, see this grossness here? we're gonna paint that. So I'm not done with painting. Like I said in an earlier video, you think you're done painting and you're not. So anyway, we're close. Hope everybody's doing well. Stay safe. Enjoy every day. And take advantage of it. Get out. Look at this beautiful Carolina sky we have. Like I said, seize the moment. Carpe diem. Loving life. And love you guys. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you subscribing. If you do. And any questions, comments, let me know. Let me know. I'm happy to tell you. I think that's about it for this time. So, hey, peace out.